This is not a helicopter, and it's not a drone either. This could be the future of personal air travel. Yes, imagine if Lamborghini stopped building cars and decided to build something that flies. Single pilot, jet-inspired design, and an attitude that looks straight out of the future. In a world where traffic never sleeps, this kind of machine changes everything. No highways, no delays, just vertical takeoff and total freedom. Strong, inside the cockpit, it's not about luxury, it's about control. Carbon fiber, digital flight displays, and the entire city below you. Strong, this is what happens when supercar DNA meets aerospace engineering. Private flight, urban mobility, zero compromises. The real question isn't, can we build this? That's it. How soon? Will it be legal in the United States? Open parenthesis. If you're fascinated by future tech, luxury machines, hit subscribe. Because the future isn't driving anymore. It's flying.